This video will cover the topic, solving for a variable in terms of other variables using multiplication or division, basic. Let's take a look at the example below. Note that there's two variables in the equation, x and y.
How do we solve for x in this case?
We can solve for x in this case using division. When we divide 9x by 9, we get x on the left side of the equation, and when we divide y by 9, we result with y divided by 9. So our final result after solving for x is x equals y over 9.
What does this final answer mean?
The solution x equals y over 9 tells us that the value of x depends on the value of y. For example, if y were equal to 1, the value of x would be 1 over 9. Or if the value of y were equal to 9, then the value of x would be 9 over 9, or 1.
Can we do an example that involves multiplication?
Yes, let's take a look at this example. The two variables used in this equation are w and a. We can solve for a in this case using multiplication. We can multiply both sides of the equation by 6 to get rid of our denominator on the right side, which leaves us with 6w equals a as our final answer.
What does the solution a equals 6w mean?
It means that the value of a depends on the value of w. For example, if w were 1, the value of a would be 6, but if w were equal to 2, the value of a would be equal to 12.
So let me make sure I have this down. In order to solve for x in an equation that has two variables, we must find a way to place the variable we are solving for on one side of the equation by itself, and everything else in the equation on the other side. If it is a fraction, we can multiply, and if it is not, then we can divide to simplify.
That is correct.